I go onto the server to find this guy. Look at him. Sorry. There's no one in the cab. Stepney's also got a new face. Bunch of it. Bet you weren't expecting that, were you? And there's a Season 8 Ghost engine added, but I don't know where it is, so I'm gonna have to find it. Those don't even move. So. Oh look, here's the original Thomas. Guess we're gonna have to find that Timothy. Oh yeah, I found him earlier. He's at Kilgodred. Just gotta get there. So I'll just run. Freddy Fazbear Pizza. Yeah, I know that reference. Ah, there's his whistle. Don't know if you can hear it. There's a narrow gauge track that kind of just leads to nothing. It's all rusty. Here's Timothy. No number 0 though. But hey, he's got a backlight. And then he's got a passenger head code. Let's see if I can drive him. Everyone's just there. So here's Timothy. There's Gordon as a children's playground. If any of you could tell me where the Season 8 Ghost Train spawns, that'd be really helpful. But until then, goodbye folks, LBFC70 out.